Viewers, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to the channel, get new and interesting videos. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button next to it. Please subscribe to my channel and like comments. Let's go. Latest gadget videos. Rivolt Bicin e-bike. Welcome to Bike Tube. On our channel, you will do two of our original short 1 and 2 minutes walk around videos of bicycle, road bikes, techno, time trial, mountain bikes, BMX, sports, flying, classic bike, electronics bicycle and everything that moves on wheel with hum powerful. Our conference is from the biggest bicycle shows around the world. In our high conference 1080p 60 fps videos, we take a looks at the design, colors, grades and economics of the bicycles, so you can rise gentleman and idea application and central current help a lot of it build one of the most default and complete bicycle, Royal View e-bicycle. Very easily used bicycle. Drobo. Here is a attractive artist is every child. The only things they need in an inspiration meet Drobo. The smart, interactive personal drawing tool for your kids. Make with next generation technology. Drobo use the power of artificial intelligence to teach your kids how to draw anything with step by step guidance. How? It's simple, just connect a power plug and then stick a part of safe adhesive hooks on a whiteboard of any size. Now all you need to do is install the Drobo mobile apps and choose for the hang calendars of image in apps. Speaks. Those will look great on your desk. You can split then and small. Are you difficult marketing these also skill toys? You can mat it around in your hands. Sticks it out. The options are ideals in the box. You will get 512 million rack every manage balls, a cars, magic bags and install. Magic balls other and use hands and every design. Those will look great. A magic ball. Mowgli Robot Kitchen. It is as beautiful to look at as it is to work. Kitchen robot that specialized in all kinds of cook by service cooking. Kitchen robot can easily cook and serve good food. It helps people to cook easily. Monolith Robot Kitchen. The future is served. Thanks to motors capability system, the robot kitchen can now special the edit of master chip, thereby create a virtual to create things. Two word classic start for the
was